Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to put in the exhaust cover for the Jeep. And what you're going to do is pretty much put something, attach it to the muffler here. What we did on this one was we blacked it out because we're going to put a brushed cover on it, but we do also offer the powder coated version where it's black that we'll put onto this. And it's pretty easy. What we're going to do is just show you how to put it on, and your part's going to come to you like this. This is our Jeep version. Alright, so what you're going to need to do is place this up here. It's easier to have a buddy, but you can definitely do it. Put your knees here and then line these screws up. And we've provided you with a little 1/4-inch self-tapping screw. And what you're going to do is hold it nice and tight and drill into your muffler. Okay? Once that one's in, you're going to have your buddy do the other side. Okay. Once you have the front screwed on, you're going to come in from the back. You got 3 screw holes here. You were provided those little small tappers. You're just going to hold it up nice and tight. Okay, now once you have those done, you're going to want to put a seal on this for moving around, and you don't want these to rattle loose. So we provided you with a rivet. And what you're going to do now is just back out these screws and put a rivet in. So, unscrew that. Go ahead and put that one in. And then you can pull your clear.